Tumalaan ni Brother Terry Ugas.
Book of Psalms, chapter 48, verse 1 reads, Great is the Lord and greatly to be praised. Good morning and happy 13th Sabbath, everyone. Kamusta ka mo? Kamusta ka mo karong kamuntagon mga kaigsuonan? I hope kitang tanan na sa yung nasa bahay ng panglawas. I hope kitang tanan na sa bahay ng kayong tangkong panglawas. Because God is always good. Today at ngayon, tayamon ang Ginoo tungod kay nakapaduta. The Sabbath day is always a holy and happy day. Mga kaigsuonan, kang Kristo, have you ever think si God sa mga blessing nga na imong nadawan? Namutana ko kaninyo na hindi nga pangutana, mga kaigsuonan, tungod kay ang promotion. Tungod kay ang focus sa ating promotion. Promotion karon is Thanksgiving. Mga kaigsuonan, bisan sa mga na atong madawat. Kaya blessing sa Ginoo, mga dayas man, nahanglan at tuloy ni pasalamatan sa Ginoo. Tungod kay without Him we are nothing. So we need to be thankful to God always. Peter 2:9-10 nag-ingon, but you are a special people, a holy nation, priests and kings, a people given up completely to God, so that you may make clear the virtues of Him who took you out of the dark into the light of heaven. Verse 10, in the past, you were not a people, but now you are the people of God. Then there was no mercy for you, but now has been given to you. Out of this text, we can have 4 reasons why you should be thankful to God. First, we are thankful to God because we are peculiar, or you should be thankful to God tungod kay peculiar ka. Special ka, meaning you are you and you are unoriginal o wala ka gikapi sa uban. Next is, we should be thankful to God because you are called out of darkness, or God rescued us from darkness. Anong tata sa kalisod, anong tata sa kingit-ngit, parang tata na kaila sa Ginoo. But we should be thankful kay gikuha ta sa Ginoo out of darkness. Number 3, we should be thankful to God because before we're not His people, but now His people, or pasalamatan nato ang Ginoo tungod kay una nga panahon dili niya pa ta katawhan, karon katawhan niya na ta. Bible says in verse 10, it is now as His people. Last but not the least, we should be thankful to God because we shall not obtain mercy, but now have obtained mercy. Kaigsuonan, I know there are millions of reasons why we should be thankful to God, but always remember, sometimes di lang kita thankful sa Ginoo, tungod kay kung gusto lang nato na atay madawat sa Ginoo, wala nato ma-realize that there is something already nga gihatag na sa Ginoo kanato. God give us the life, free air, family, friends, and many more. All we have to do is to appreciate it. Having a blessing does not receiving it from get healing, but learning to be grateful of what you already have. So what are you waiting for? Pag-ampo and thanks God for all the goodness that He had already given. May the Lord God bless us all. Once again, happy 13th Sabbath, everyone.